Hi, I'm Sue Adams from Education for Sustainability. We deliver environmental modules to students of all ages in schools across Ireland. The main objectives of our workshops is that they join the dots for students and that they can interpret the environment into their everyday life. We look at global concepts, but we also look at local concepts. We want our students to join the dots and to see that they are not only part of the problem but part of the solution in terms of sustainable development. Education for sustainability is a crucial competence for young people in the climate restrained world that we're now living in. It is essential that young people get the knowledge, the skills and the tools to learn about sustainable development so that they can enact change not only in their own lives but in their communities. All of the modules and the workshops are to inspire and evoke action, and some perfect examples of actions that have come out of the workshops are plastic-free schools, making biodiversity gardens, changes in transport and so on. We cover lots of different subjects. It's transport, biodiversity loss, fast fashion, plastic, sustainable development, the SDG goals, climate change and many more. The main focus on our work is working with transition year students. We run 8-week modules. We look at a different topic every week and we deliver the modules in a fun and interactive way. We use game-based methodologies, and in this series you're going to be able to learn and see some of the work that we do with the students, and it's our hope that as teachers and other educators that you will be able to take these games and implement them into the learning for students. The resources that we use are from the National Youth Council, UNESCO, Trócaire and Concern. Each of the games that you're going to see in these series back up one of the lessons. So the format of each workshop is generally 2 small videos, a PowerPoint where we'll discuss the topic, and then we'll show you games that back up what we've learned and discussed in the PowerPoint. We hope that you enjoy these series and that they're really helpful for you to help teach kids and provide them with the knowledge and skills and tools for them to use in the real world. Thank you. Enjoy.